Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify, your go-to channel for all things finance and crypto. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to disable two-factor authentication or 2FA on your OKX wallet using your PC. If you are ready to take control of your crypto wallet, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Now let's dive right in. The first step is to log into your OKX account. So, open your web browser and head over to the OKX official website at www.okx.com. Once you are there, click on the login button in the top right corner of the homepage. Now, enter your email or phone number followed by your password. If you have 2FA enabled, you will need to enter your authentication code to complete the login. Once you are logged in, let's move on to the security settings. To do that, go to the profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Security. This will take you to the security page where all your account safety features are managed. On the security settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication or Authenticator app. Next to it, you will see an option to disable. Click Disable. In my case, I haven't set it up, so it is not showing here right now. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation and you will need to re-enter your account password for security purposes. After entering your password, click Confirm. Now, before the 2FA is fully disabled, you will need to verify the action. Depending on the 2FA method you originally set up, you will either receive a verification code via your Google Authenticator app or an SMS code. Open your Google Authenticator app or check your SMS inbox for the code. Enter the code and hit Confirm. Once you have completed the verification, you should see a message saying that 2FA has been successfully disabled on your OKX account. You're all set. And that's how you disable 2FA on your OKX wallet using a PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more crypto and finance tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.